सो एक जो ऑनेस्ट आर्टिस्ट होता है ना, वो सिर्फ वन हिट वंडर नहीं होता। वो ऐसा नहीं होता कि 2 साल तक चला फिर उसके बाद गायब हो गया। एक ऑनेस्ट
Yeah,
आर्टिस्ट
true.
बार बार आएगा। मुझे पता है, मेरे गाने जो सुनते हैं मुझसे पहली बार मिलते हैं, मुझसे अक्सर पूछते हैं कि भाई क्या आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ, क्या आपके साथ?
Right, right.
Happy time and I'm not as sad as my songs make me look.
Hi, Jugan. First of all, thank you so much for joining us. We were having a lovely chat, and now we have a nice addition to it.
Did I disturb you
Uh,
guys? Did I disturb the great song?
no, 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 definitely not. Definitely not. We were trying to pass time waiting for you. How are you, Zubin? You just shot for another song, no?
Yeah, a little bit. I've done some lip sync around the song. I'm not like kind of featuring. I'm not acting. I'm a little reluctant towards acting. I'm I'm just acting for the love of music, and
Okay.
that kind of puts me in a place where I still get nervous after doing so many successful music videos. I still get nervous sometimes when I'm doing performing in front of camera. I'm not nervous inside a
I
studio, but
don't believe this.
I
I
really
don't
mean it.
believe this. All your songs, you look so amazing and so confident. I don't
Thank
believe
you.
this. That's true. I
Only
second
my
that. I second
thought
that.
that time.
Yeah, like would you ever consider getting into acting?
I have had a lot of opportunities. I had some really amazing filmmakers who offered me roles in films. I still get scripts sometime from some projects in Netflix and stuff. People, some people want to see me like a mythological character. Some people want to see me like a surreal action hero and all that stuff. But I started doing music because of the love of it. You know, I could have been doing many other things apart from singing if I wanted to. But I put in my time, I put in my effort to sing and to break certain barriers. And I don't think I can break barriers if I'm doing 2, 3 things at a time. Musical barriers to be known as as one of not one of the most famous, but maybe one of the good musicians India produced. I think that's what my title is. That's where I want to be. Yeah, that needs a lot of focus. I'm trying. I'm still trying. I work really hard, man. Like really hard to get those hits out there. It's difficult to give so many national hits back to back, and with one hit, the pressure increases for another hit. But I'm really excited. Bedardi has done such a good job, and big love to the actors. How she breaks his heart is amazing. I felt, I, I,
You're a
I think the
natural. You're
song
a
was
natural at it.
amazing.
I felt a great performance is required over a great sound, and that has been proven time and again. And I think Gurmeet and Kashish and Shirin, I think you guys have done amazing job. All four of you, in fact, Altamash also. It's like a chota sa feature film which kind of satisfies you, gives you a full ending of a feature film, but it's just like a 5 minute song, which is so beautiful.
It is. The song is very beautiful and it crossed 130 million views. And that's like you're
Right,
setting up huge milestones here, right?
right.
I mean, the success is so immense. I'm pretty sure you're feeling great. But how did you know that, this is the kind of music video to put such a song and the people are going to be attracted to it?
When we were making the song, uh, I would like to say that गाना बनाते वक्त anything in my heart is just honesty towards what I'm saying. अगर वो बोलता है सोच के दिल मेरा जोरों से धड़कता है, किसी और की छत पे क्यों मेरा चांद चमकता है, मैं कह रहा हूँ बट इसमें ना इन 2 लाइनों में अपने आप में ही हर इमोशन है। इसमें कॉमिक, अगर आप चाहें तो इसको कॉमिक भी इमेजिन कर सकते हैं, इसको अगर आप
Right.
चाहो तो इमेजिन कर सकते हो। इट कैन बी लाइक अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ लव, लाइक चन्ना मेरेया, it's a celebration of heartbreak. So the vibe of the song is a very celebratory vibe, especially when it comes to the music around it, but the thought is so strong. मतलब वो पहली लाइन में ही grabs your customer, your satisfied customers, the satisfied listeners. पहली लाइन
Yeah.
में कर लेता है, इतनी गहरी बात कही गई है. So Meet Brothers and Manoj ji, whenever they work together, मतलब वो मनोज जी तो खैर खतरनाक चीजें, it's so hard hitting stuff. And I think Shireen would agree, जब ये लोग इस गाने पे act कर रहे होंगे, when they were performing on the song, I think lyrics played such a helpful role for you guys to
Right.
enact situation, because it's like right there on your face. ऐसी बहकी कोई वेग बात नहीं कही है. He said it straight, he said it
Right.
clear. clear. किसी और की छत पे क्यों मेरा चांद चमकता है.
इनफैक्ट जब हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे, देयर आर मेनी टाइम्स जब आशीष का सॉन्ग नहीं लगा पा रहे थे, so we were singing this song, we were getting the feel, so it
Yeah.
was the lyrics
Right.
and your voice along with it, so we were getting the feel because of the voice and the lyrics together.
Of
Without
course,
the
that
music
makes
hum
the
feel ही
important
नहीं
role.
होगी.
Of
Your
course,
voice
of
and the
course.
lyrics together created a lot of magic.
Thank you so much,
I
Shireen.
do agree with that. Of course.
Then I could ask you this personally also, but I wanted to ask it here. So, which is the genre of songs that you would love to do? Because everybody knows you as romantic songs or as lovable songs.
I'm somebody who's, मतलब I've been blessed for just one thing, and that is मैं थोड़ा डूब के काम करने वालों में से हूँ. I get really involved in the work that I do. मुझे नहीं लगता था कि मैं डांस नंबर्स गा पाऊंगा, बट जब मेरे म्यूजिक कंपोजर्स मुझ पे विश्वास दिखाते हैं तो मुझे भी मन करता है कि इसमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा काम करूं. I did अखलड़ जावे for लव यात्री. I did हम्मा song. I did सोचा है. Recently even लुट गए is considered as one of the dance songs. But शुरू में मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं डांस गा पाऊंगा. So इस वक्त कुछ एक बेवफाई का वक्त चल रहा है, मुझे लगता है ऐसा ना. इस वक्त कभी सैड दिलों में याद आता है.
Yeah.
और that's where I'm being asked to sing a lot of sad songs, but I believe that it comes to romance, it comes to sad. अगर डिवोशनल होते हैं गाने, मैं डिवोशनल गाने गाता हूँ. अगर होली के ऊपर होते हैं, मैंने वो भी गाए. So I'm just kind of keeping it blank slate when I'm going to do music. मैं सोच के नहीं जाता कि मैं गा पाऊंगा, शायद नहीं गा पाऊंगा. हाँ, अगर 20 से 21 नहीं होता तो मैं अग्री नहीं करता, ट्राई करता रहता हूँ. अगर 20 से 19 रह जाता है, 20 भी रह जाता है, तो भी मैं आई होल्ड माई सेल्फ बैक एंड आई वेट फॉर द टाइम टू रीच 21. इफ आई रीच 21 इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोग्रेस इन द सॉन्ग, तो ही शायद मैं आगे जाता हूँ. वैसे बहुत सारे गाने छोड़ दिए इस चक्कर में, पर हाँ, अभी तक ये है कि जिस जॉनर में कोशिश करी, इट काइंड ऑफ वर्कड फॉर मी. एंड व्हेन आई हैव ग्रेट एक्टर्स लाइक यू गाइस कमान संभालने के लिए, जब आप लोग इतनी अच्छे विजुअल्स क्रिएट कर देते हैं. बिग लव टू आशीष पांडा. ही इज अ ग्रेट डायरेक्टर.
Yeah.
आई हैव नोन हिम फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. ही डन ग्रेट वर्क एवरी टाइम. वो अपने चैलेंजेस किस तरह से हर लिमिटेशन को चैलेंज बना के आगे रखता है, व्हिच इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. It's amazing that we got to do this song together, and I think we'll be doing many more songs together, Shireen. That's what I feel. It's a very massive
Yeah,
success. I'm sure we'll be doing,
definitely.
yeah.
I also have a question to add on to that. So, what do you think has been the most, empowering or the most, like a specific detail about your career that can be marked as an evolution?
I think I don't think I will be able to find the answer to that question, because मैं आज भी जब सुबह उठता हूँ तो मैं वैसे ही उठता हूँ जैसे शायद 7-8 साल पहले उठता था. I get up and I start working on my music.
Right.
I work, मतलब मैं जमीन पे बैठ के काम करता हूँ संगीत पे. मतलब मैं सोचता नहीं कि अभी जुबिन नौटियाल का नाम क्या हो गया, जुबिन नौटियाल के गाने क्या हो गए. अभी भी मैं वैसे ही काम करता हूँ जैसे मैं शायद शुरू में बचपन में करा करता था म्यूजिक में काम. So I would say that
Right.
evolution happens from the roots of any artist. If your roots together, evolution will happen, and constant growth is very important. आर्टिस्ट कितनी बार होता है जब उसको थोड़ा सा रिकग्निशन मिलता है, प्यार मिलता है, तो वो ग्रोथ की तरफ सोचना बंद करता है और फिर वो और बड़ा होना चाहता है. सोशल मीडिया पे और इन सारी चीजों पे बहुत ध्यान चले जाता है. बट what is going to pay off in the long run is what holds inside you rather than what's outside you. If you are stronger from inside in forms of your art, in forms of the technicality regarding your art, then you will be unbeatable. You will be an artist who will come and go again and again. You will give 7 flop songs and then again you will come back with one more hit song and then you are back in the market. That goes for actors, that goes for writers, that goes for everybody. So एक जो honest artist होता है ना, वो सिर्फ one hit wonder नहीं होता. वो ऐसा नहीं होता कि 2 साल तक चला फिर उसके बाद गायब हो गया. एक ऑनेस्ट
Yeah.
आर्टिस्ट
True.
होता है, वो बार बार आएगा. वो अच्छे गाने देगा, फिर हो सकता है बीच में कुछ बुरे गाने आए जो नहीं वर्क करे, और फिर उसके बाद फिर से अच्छा गाना देगा. ही विल डू कांस्टेंट कमबैक्स एंड दैट इज ओनली बिकॉज़ ऑफ आर्टिस्टिक ग्रोथ.
Yeah. That's a fabulous answer. Thank you. And Shireen, what was your first reaction when you heard this song?
The song is beautiful, But सबसे पहले, I always told Shiv sir, because he was the one, who were getting me the song after the
Yeah.
auditions and all that. So I told him, Shiv sir, I will do the song only if it's a Jubain song.
Oh,
So
so
मैंने
sweet.
कितने गाने छोड़े मैंने कितने कितने गाने
So
छोड़े, because
sweet.
somewhere, I am a great fan of Sir, because of him, the way he is.
Thank you.
Singing के अलावा वो एक अच्छे इंसान है, after being here in life where he is today, being so humble and so simple. I think I have not seen anybody in this industry so far so simple and humble.
So sweet.
So
Thank
that
you
is
so much.
something
That's
which,
so sweet.
that's
Thank you
that's
so
so
much.
true, and that's the reason why I'm a great fan of his. I've always said this, and I told Shiv sir, मैं अगर song करूँगी, even now, like, I'm flooded with music videos. After this, I'm getting a lot of music videos, but after doing a Jubain song, I'm greedy for more. So I actually, so
Yeah.
I want to do a song with you where, you are featuring in it. Honestly, I really want to do a song with you.
You have a personal request now.
Because, when you really have those feelings and respect for a person, आपको वो दिखता है videos में. You can see it. So I think when I perform with Jubain sir, it's going to be magic. वो खुद आ जाएगा, वो emotions खुद निकल के
So
आएंगे.
sweet.
सब कहते हैं कि हंसना आसान है, रोना आसान है. मुझे लगता है सबसे डिफिकल्ट जो कैरेक्टर होता है वो कैरेक्टर है जो शिरीन ने प्ले करा है. Because she seems like a soft-hearted girl, and getting out to a place where you have to break someone's heart in a music video, it's a difficult job to act. If I am told to break someone's heart, I don't think I'll be able to enact that. I don't think I
So
will be able to नहीं कर पाऊंगा उस चीज को अच्छे से. So every film needs a lot of great things coming together, and that's what these guys have done. And ये तो खैर ये तो तारों पे लिखा था. मुझे लगता है we had to do a song like this together. We had to create intense history around it together. And
right.
honestly, I was I knew this is a very successful song, but I did not know uh, uh, Shireen and the entire team, these guys are going to make it so much more successful, so much more appreciated and loved by the people. And big thanks to you guys. I
Thank you
really
for
like.
saying that. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm
Thank
really. I
you so
mean it.
much.
Very sweet.
So Divya, when I heard the lyrics, of course, when I had I heard it's a Jubain song. मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना. मैं सीधा भाग की तीसरी stop पे गई, and I said yes, yes, yes. And then I said I want to hear the lyrics once. What is it? So when I heard the lyrics, I knew this was a old song, and this is a new version of the first line. So जब हम ये songs को बनाते हैं, I think Jubin sir will agree with me, जब हम पुराने songs को फिर से recreate करते, it creates magic. Because you
Yeah,
get connected. जो जितने 80s and 90s के लोग हैं, they get very very connected, because उस समय there was a lot of lyrics used to do magic those days.
yeah,
So I
true
think the
that.
first line itself is so touching, and I said yes. If it's a remake, it's a yes, because it's such a beautiful song.
Thank you.
Right. Of course, it's
Thank
a
you.
very beautiful song. I agree. So I
Mm.
have a question for the both of you. Now we know you all are very talented in your own field, but ऐसा एक hidden talent है आप दोनों में which not many people know about.
Actually, all achievements I had in life, I mean, what all the talented things I tried my hands on, I've spoken about that very. I'm a very open book in terms of that. I have nothing to hide. So ऐसी कुछ चीज है नहीं जो औरों को पता नहीं होगी. But I've been into mixed martial arts and a lot of fitness in my times when I was.
Wow.
I have a black belt in mixed martial arts. Yeah, very intense training from Japan. We did. Yeah, that would be it.
Wow, that's so cool. What about you, Shireen? I mean, that's really cool
Uh,
though.
yeah, and like I love cooking, but I'm a writer also. I write a lot whenever I have my free time. It's just I'm not registered, and so I'm not writing for the screen, but I would love to. So I'm a
Wow.
lot into writing, and I love cooking also. So I
Are we
enjoy
gonna
my own
are we
food
gonna
that I
see
cook
your
in free
writing
time.
soon?
Yeah, for sure, for sure. I'll get myself registered this year itself, so I could start writing for the screen.
What kind of stories you like to write? What's your forte?
I write thrill, Jiten sir, because I find thrill is something जो लोगों को पकड़ के रखता है काफी देर तक. अब क्या,
Correct.
अब क्या, अब क्या. So it's
Yeah.
the writer's talent that आप उसमें कितना thrill create कर सकते हो.
जी,
So
correct.
I
बिल्कुल.
prefer thrill. Yeah.
Now the music video is all about, a childhood crush that's sort of one-sided. It develops and, you are the heartbreaker over here. But in reality, have you all ever been in the same situation or in like a reversed situation?
Yes, I have been in a situation where I ended up hurting someone. I still regret that till today. It's like it's still one of the most painful thing in my heart today. I was, I kind of learned a lot. And, I come from a setup where I have like 2 elder sisters and a mom. So, when you
Right.
have like 2 sisters and a mom, it's like you have 3 mothers. And when you have like 3 mothers, there's so much more. मतलब मैं जब छोटा था, बहुत छोटा था, 4-5 साल का, 3-4 साल का, स्कूल जाना शुरू नहीं करा था. मेरे फादर बाहर रहते थे, तो मैं घर में 2 बहनें थी और मम्मी थी, तो सब खाऊंगी और जाऊंगी, तो मैं भी खाऊंगी जाऊंगी उनके साथ साथ लगा रहता था. मुझे वो आ का एक्सप्रेशन भी आता था.
Right.
So, when you come from that kind of a setup and you, due to situations, due to whatever circumstances you might be in a place, you end up hurting someone. It stays with you. I think, my mom and my parents have always taught me that कभी भी कुछ भी करो, किसी का दिल नहीं दुखाना. सो आप कभी किसी का दिल दुखाने के पीछे एक रीजन बन जाते हो ना, तो आपके साथ रह जाती है वो बात. कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती है which stays with you. If I could go back in time and fix this somehow, I would definitely. But it's fine. I mean, I hope she's doing fine. I hope everything around her is doing fine.
I hope she
hears
watches this interview.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope she watches this video.
I hope she watches this interview.
Yeah.
Or she's listening to my music.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right.
Yeah.
And what about you, Shireen?
I think तभी जुबिन साहब इतनी आपकी आवाज में दर्द है और फील है, because when you connect, as you told us earlier, you connect your experiences when you sing. So I think इसीलिए क्योंकि वो दर्द है अंदर छुपी हुई, तो वो आपके हर गाने में दिखता है. I was forgetting.
बताना चाहूंगा, मैं इतना उदास नहीं. मुझे पता है, मेरे गाने जो सुनते हैं मुझसे पहली बार मिलते हैं, मुझे अक्सर पूछते हैं कि भाई क्या आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ, क्या आपके साथ.
Right.
And I'm not as sad as my songs. We look. Shireen, you are answering the question now. Whose heart did you break?
So no, I honestly never broke anybody's heart.
Because
मेरे लिए I'll be honest क्योंकि मेरे लिए हमेशा दिव्या love means अगर आप किसी से प्यार करते हो तो आप एक होंगे, उसमें जुदाई हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से बेवफाई जुदाई में नहीं है, बेवफाई में. तो आप जुदा हो ही नहीं सकते हो अगर आप एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हो. You'll try to be one. So I still believe in that, and I always feel, okay, the day I fall in love, I'll definitely marry the guy. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. So I will not.
I think this has to be like the best answer I've heard to a question like this. It's so sentimental, but at the same time, it's so thoughtful, and that's sweet.
Right. Like, see, we are in an industry where we may come across a lot of people who may propose you, who may love you, but then I tell them directly, look, I think I'm not the right one, because अगर मेरे साथ आगे जाओगे तो you'll have to marry me. तो वो मेरे पीछे भाग जाता है.
Right.
So yeah, that's the way I think. Yeah.
How sweet.
Because either you don't fall in love, either you just be like good friends and hang around. That's fine. But if you say you love me, you'll have to marry me, guys. Come on, you just can't say you love me and have a nice time and walk away. So yeah.
Right. So that word holds a lot of weightage for you.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. How sweet. But thank you so much for answering my questions. With this, I conclude my interrogation, and I hope you all liked it. I hope you all had fun.
It's amazing.
Honestly, ये interview से ज़्यादा interrogation लग रहा था.
I'm so sorry.
But it was fun.
Thank you. Thank you so much
And
for joining me at Instant Bollywood. And I hope you find much more success in many more songs
thank you
to
so
come.
much, Divya.